This is the glorious GMMK2 96% keyboard. This has got to be one of the best quality keyboards I've ever felt. With an aluminum top frame and an ABS base, this thing is solid. It comes with pre-lubed Fox linear mechanical switches, as well as pre-lubed stabilizers and double-shot ABS keycaps. Inside the box, you've got your quick start guide, a nice little sticker, a 6-foot braided USB-C power cable, as well as an escape key to replace the orange one that comes with it, a keycap puller, and a switch puller. Here's a quick sound test for all of you out there that would like to hear it. With over 16.8 million different RGB combinations, you can customize this keyboard's lighting to however your heart desires. If you'd like one, take advantage of the Black Friday sale now. I'll leave a link to it in my bio. I hope you enjoyed.